Hey guys. That was really annoying. Just as soon as I started to record, next thing you know, someone's just yelling. Anyways, but this is Ruben Kimball back with another video. Probably shouldn't say in that every video because you know who I am. And but I'm gonna say it still just because I get any new viewers. And we're playing Hot Wheel Baseball today. And sorry about my last video. I forgot that it doesn't record like this. In the middle. Yeah. Not really issues. Just, I decided to take it down because, like, I was gonna. So, when I first started, I had two videos, and that was Geometry Dash Crash and boxing with weights. I took them down so I can. After I downloaded the videos, I took them down and I added an intro. So that's why there's like an intro on Geometry Dash Crash and none else. And I feel too lazy to do all that, and I don't want to. Yeah. Because I'm trying to get my account monetized, but that's not that was the point. I'm doing it for you guys, so you guys are entertained. I should probably turn off the Wi-Fi so you don't have to deal with ads. I should turn off. Okay. Sorry, guys. Okay, sorry about that ad. So much stuff to do. I feel like a noob sometimes. Probably am, but I don't care. This is actually really close. This is actually really close right now. Bruh. Okay.